Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? I hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also well. I am Reena Akhtar, Baluakandi Dr. Abdul Ghaffar School and College, Gojaria, Munshiganj. Dear students, welcome to our online class. So now I am going to my class. Today our topic is articles. Article. Dear students, can you say what is article? Yes, we know that. A, an, and, the are called article. Can you say what kind of article? Yes, article are two kinds. Number one, indefinite article. Number two, definite article. So, indefinite article and definite article. So, we have to learn that about indefinite article. Can you say what is indefinite article? Yes, we know that a, and, an are called indefinite article. So dear student, a, an, it's called indefinite article. So dear learners, before knowing indefinite article, we have to knowledge about the vowel and consonant. So dear student, vowel A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are called vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are called vowel and all others letters are called consonant. So dear student, I hope that you can understand. A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are called vowel and all other letters are called consonant. Now I have to come use of A. A is used before consonant. A is used before consonant. Look at the example. This is dash book. Dear students, this first letter of the word is B. B is consonant. So, we can use A. This is dash pen. Dear students, this five letter also consonant. This first letter also consonant. P. P is consonant. So we can use A. So if first letter of the word is consonant, we should use A. Then I have come to use of N. N is used before vowels. Look at the example. This is dash apple. This is dash ink pot. This is dash orange. This is dash egg. So dear students, this first letter of the word is A. A is vowel. So N is used here. This first letter of the word is also vowel. This first letter is also vowel. This first letter is also vowel. So all this first letter of the first letter is vowel. So we can use N. So dear student, we can say if that if the word of first letter is vowel, we can use N. So dear student, I hope you can understand. Generally, it's called a general rule. So my dear students, generally we can say these rules AN used. Now, but sometime we can use A before vowel. It depends on the sound of the word. It depends. Look at the example. Dash English man dash European. Dear students, this first letter is E. Is vowel. So we can use N. This first letter is also E. Is vowel. But we can use A because this sound E sounds like U. European. E sounds like U. E sounds like U. So E sounds like U, we can use A. This sounds English. E. E sounds like E, we can use N. E sounds like U, we can use A. Look at the example. Orange 1 টাকা note. Dear students, this first letter is O. O is vowel. Orange. So we can use N. But dear students, this first letter is O. O is vowel. But we can use A because this O sounds like wa. 1 taka. This sounds like wa. That's why we can use A. So we can say if this first letter is O, O sounds like O, we can use N. But another is O sounds like wa, we can use A. So dear student, I hope you can understand. Another difference is hen. Look at the board, dear students. This first letter is H. H is consonant. So we can use A. This first letter is also consonant, but we can use N because S sounds O. S sounds O. It's silent word. S sounds O. O is it sounds O. O is vowel. Vowel sound come first. So we can use N. Okay, dear students. Umbrella, university. Dear students, this first letter is E. U. U is vowel. So we can use N. But this first letter is also vowel. But we can use A because U sounds like U. University. U sounds like U. U sounds like U. We can use A. So we can say U umbrella. U sounds like O. Umbrella. So we can use N. But U sounds like U. We can use A. So dear student, the rules of articles. Dear students, the use of articles A and N difference on the sounds of the word, not always difference on the vowel and consonant. Dear students, I hope you can understand. So, next time, have a good day.